Taking a look at Tesla here today as of May 13, 2025. If we look at our current price here today, we are at $320 per share. This morning, if I go into the minute chart, we had a high of 326. So really nice to see the upside potential here for Tesla. I'm zooming out here to the daily chart just to share with you guys the potential support levels and resistance levels for Tesla stock. Currently right now, I just want to continue to see if we can close above, especially the 200-day moving average, which is at 294. As with the remaining of May 2025, to me, it would be really bullish if we can also close above 313. As 313 was a resistance level, this is now going to be a major support level to keep an eye out for, especially looking at this from a Fibonacci retracement point of view. If we can close above 313 consecutively, this could be potentially a support level to keep an eye out for moving forward into the summer of 2025. And then again, we could potentially get a big leg up or a stair step up towards 355. And I mentioned this in our previous videos that I do believe that Tesla is going to range between 313 and 355. If you'll view our current price here at 320, move all the way up to 355, that is going to be an additional 11% move to keep an eye out for. Now, I'm not trying to guarantee anyone, we're going to see 355 for Tesla, but just sharing with you that my opinion here is that we are going to range towards 355. I do, again, believe the all-time high at 488 is going to get tested. In terms of a dip opportunity, right, I think as of right now, I wouldn't mind adding a small position if we're closer to 313. 320, I don't mind as well, especially if I'm looking for the all-time high to be retested anyways. So I'm looking from a either swing trade point of view or a long-term perspective, right? Long-term perspective, definitely, I think this is a really good dip opportunity. Still way below from its highs of 488, right? We're still pretty close to the 200-day moving average, and in my opinion, obviously, it was a lot better to be buying below the 200-day moving average, which in my previous videos, I try to mention many times actually, below the 200-day moving average was a really good dip opportunity. 213 to 272, that was where we started loading into Tesla, right? And now that we are closing above the 200-day moving average, we have a potential bull run here or a reversal back up to the top side. And again, even if we had it pull back down to 294 or 313, I still am pretty bullish here for Tesla going into the next couple of months. I expect to see a higher low and higher high here for Tesla, eventually testing 355, right? Post 355, I do want to keep an eye out for 406 as well. Comparing our current price here all the way to 406 is going to be an additional 26% move towards the top side. So I do anticipate a bigger move here for Tesla to the top side. Again, that doesn't mean it's going to happen. I'm just sharing with you my opinion here. 488, of course, within this year of 2025 is also my prediction as well. So we still have an additional 52% move towards the top side. I saw recently Cathie Wood's reconfirming her price target on Tesla for 2030. I believe she said $2,600 was her price target, right around like almost a 10x. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments for that. Do you believe what Cathie says, or do you think that's just nada? Do you think that's just BS? But in my opinion here, like I said, this year of 2025, pretty optimistic for this test towards 406 and 488. I do think right now, wouldn't mind adding a small position. Personally, if I were looking to add a bigger position, I would much prefer it closer to the 200-day moving average at this point, which is 294, right? If you don't have a community yet for Tesla stock, highly recommend joining our Discord. We do have a lot of our call-outs here in terms of entries and exits. I do have my price targets here as well for Tesla. I am looking, like I said, for that 406 resistance level to keep an eye out for. And then price target here of 350, 375, 400. Again, just my personal opinion here going into the next couple of months for Tesla stock. You can join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. Also, that dedicated chat section for Tesla where we share due diligence and technical analysis on a daily basis. A lot of people sharing news there and having open discussions and sharing opinions. If that's something you're interested in, like I said, it's free. First link down below in the description, okay? If you want to join for our live entries and exits on stocks and options for multiple analysts, including Tesla, you can join our Patreon. We do have a 90% off permanent discount promotion going on right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Check the second link down below, see if we have any open available spots, and if so, feel free to come on in, all right? Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like the video if you want to support the channel, and subscribe, turn on notifications for our future Tesla videos. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.